Scientific Sessions Planning Committee Chair Maureen Gannon joins me now. I know you have been very busy,
yes,
but you definitely have your finger on the pulse of the science here. Can you talk to me about the wide range of research topics?
So Scientific Sessions is divided into 8 tracks, and those different themes cover the gamut from very basic islet biology and insulin action all the way to education and new guidelines for clinical practice. So there's quite a breadth of research going on that you really don't get at other meetings that may be more specialized in one area or the other. So one of the things I really like about coming to Scientific Sessions, I'm an islet biologist, so normally I go to islet specific meetings, but coming here I can learn about lots of different things that are outside of my main focus and really get a sense of the breadth of research going on in diabetes education and clinical practice and very basic science.
And that's the benefit really for all of the attendees.
Absolutely.
Let's delve more deeply into the basic science. Anything really interesting being presented here?
Yes, so one of the things I noticed in looking over the program that we put together this year was there's a thread going through the sessions this year of mitochondrial function and mitochondrial dynamics. And so in 3 of the different tracks, actually, there are symposia on mitochondrial action in exercise, the specificity of mitochondrial function in the beta cell, and so just be on the lookout for those symposia. And in addition, there's a session on structure function analysis for G-Protein-Coupled Receptors and how those might be used as new therapeutics to improve beta cell function, proliferation, and survival.
And then how do you see any of these research projects then trickling down into the clinical setting?
Well, in particular, the G-Protein-Coupled Receptor Symposium in the Islet Biology track this year, I think is very basic research that could lead to new drug discovery. There are also some results of clinical trials that will be presented this year at Scientific Sessions, so the physicians and physician scientists should be on the lookout for that. A few that I'd like to highlight are the RISE study, where there's a study that's been going on, NIH sponsored, in new onset type 1 diabetes in youth and young adults, looking at the use of metformin in combination with insulin to try and preserve beta cell function. There's also results of 15-year study for a Veterans Administration diabetes trial looking at macro and microvascular complications in people with long-standing type 2 diabetes. And the very last symposium on Tuesday will be the results of a clinical trial looking at the use of SGLT2 inhibitors in type 1 diabetes. So that's something that people should definitely stick around for.
When you talk about the science, all of these people coming together, what really do you feel is the impact of this meeting for the next year ahead, for the next decade ahead in terms of treating patients with diabetes?
So all the members of the planning committee really encourage the people who are presenting here to present unpublished results. And so I think that the attendees at Scientific Sessions will really learn what's the cutting edge research that's going on in all different aspects of diabetes research and can take that away with them and apply that either to their own practice if they see patients or to the research going on in their own laboratories. And so we really pride ourselves on publishing cutting edge, unpublished results so that people can benefit from that and take that back with them to their own research and practice.
Right, it's a springboard. How about for you personally? What are you most excited about?
Well, I always really look forward to the award lectures, so the Banting Lecture and the Outstanding Scientific Achievement Award Lecture. Those will be on Sunday and Monday, and so definitely people should attend those. I look forward to those every year. And this year as well, we have a lot more mini symposia. We solicited this year for the very first time proposals from our membership on different symposia, and we got, I think, over 50 proposals. So those have been incorporated into Scientific Sessions, people's ideas, our membership's ideas. And so I'm looking forward to attending some of the mini symposia that were put together by our own membership.
Sparking that creativity. Thank you so much, Maureen.
You're very
Gannon.
welcome. Thank you.